Welcome everyone. This session is designed as a masterclass series on clash management in the built environment. And more importantly, it's about reframing and how we understand clashes. We never had the ability to see the construction problem before they become physical. And if we really think about this for a second, for most of the construction history, the job site were a discovery playground, right? You found a conflict when the material has arrived. You found coordination failures when one system is hitting another system. Or you might have six different trades showed up at the same space at the same time. And then what happened? The cost already overrun, right? So this series is really about changing that mindset and brainstorming. It's about seeing clashes as a life cycle risk, not just about a software output or a geometry or a coordination issues. The industry has become extremely good at solving problem, and this is very specific to our industry, which is construction, right? Rework has become normal. If you look into the RFIs, the change orders, and the scheduled recovery, this has all become normal, right? The field has become the clash detector area, and for decades, there were no other options. But today, we have the ability to observe and interact even before the construction begins. And honestly, I think that changes everything. So, in this series, I've divided this whole into six different sections and I'll try to have separate videos on each of these section. So the section one will start from clash management to risk management. Section two will look into the clashes as a risk throughout the project life cycle. Section three will discuss about the computation logic behind the clash detection. And section four from geometry to the coordination workflows. Section 5 will look into the clash velocity, the visualization, and dashboard reporting through Power BI. And finally, we'll conclude this section with automation, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. We'll also look into some form of real-time clash detection. And the whole idea throughout this session is to connect all of these six sections into a continuous idea. So I'm very excited about the series, so I'll look forward in sharing these sections.